Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is strip heaters, and this unit is about like a 60 inches long. So let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For the units entirely, they are about like a 60 inches long. And the overall height, they are about like almost like a 6 inches tall. And the deep, they are about like a 2.5 inches. So as we can see the units, we have a toggle controls right here. They have a lights to notify you this turns on. And also when you flip over, you will see we do have the ETL sanitation stickers on it. And the units is about like a 1,550 watts. This unit is using the standard of 110 plugs, US standard. This is all the display information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.